Welcome to WESIE Integrative Pharmacy, the only integrative pharmacy in the UK. We don't believe in pitting modern medicines against supplements and herbs. Rather, we take a holistic approach towards health and well-being and embrace the use of supplements and herbs alongside medications. We help prevent, reverse, and manage chronic illnesses like diabetes, hypertension, and HIV through our one-on-one holistic and integrative consultations. These are proven to increase your chances of losing weight and stopping smoking. They will also reduce your reliance on medications and improve your overall health and quality of life. We also understand the challenges faced by the Black community in seeking treatment and provide tailored services and advice on health issues that affect Black people disproportionately. We understand the desire to use more natural-based products on skin and hair, and would encourage you to try our carefully selected and sourced natural skin and hair products. Your health and beauty is our priority. So, take the first step towards a healthy life by visiting our website at www.wesiepharmacy.com or contact us on 0208 167 9233 and WhatsApp 077 12 571 750.